Okay, so I have to make this one work, Mama. I guess we'll have to keep trying. Yeah, it's coming out now. Well, we got it. It just exploded. Okay. So that may not happen to you, but that just happened to me. So I gotta get all my pieces back on the table. Now, if you lose a couple of springs, okay, because we're going to be actually getting rid of those and some other things. It just exploded, like it literally exploded in my face. I was not expecting it to go like that. Okay, so I gotta get small cup here real quick. So I'm gonna get a cup. Set that aside. Okay. I don't think there's any more pieces on the floor. Trying to scooch in my chair. Here we go. Okay, so these things, they look like this. You can put them in your cup. You're not going to need them. Along with the springs too. Along with these springs.